Hi everyone, and welcome to YCAM Academy. My name is Wealth, and today I will be teaching you in this video how to understand a simple or basic prompt. In this video, I will be teaching you understanding basic prompting or basic prompt engineering. All right. Many people have been finding it difficult to get results, the proper result they need for their problem to tell the AI to give them results needed to solve their problems or their task. So you have to understand what these things are. Please, if you have not, or if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that. And if today is your first day or first time of watching my video, please kindly subscribe and punch the um kindly subscribe and click on the notification button to be notified when I upload a new video. Right, let's proceed. Before you begin to use the AI to solve your problem, you have to understand what is this thing called. Before you begin to communicate, everybody have a language, have their languages, all right? The language that the AI understand is called prompting. Prompt. That is what the AI understands. So what is a prompt? A prompt is the instruction. A prompt is the instruction, question, or statement you give to an AI to get a response. A prompt is instruction, question, or statement you give to an AI to get a response. Think of it as the starting line of a conversation. The clearer and more detailed your prompt, the better the AI can help you. A good prompt tells the AI what you want, or you want it, or how you want it, what you want, and how you want it, and often why or for whom. So you have to give it a direction. Now, take this four-step recipe to writing a good prompt. Number one, task. What do you want? For example, write an email. Number two, context. Is there any background or goal? For example, to apologize to a client for a delayed shipment. Number three, format and tone. How should it look and sound? For example, short, professional, or three paragraphs, formal but warm. Number four, constraints. Any limits? For example, no bullet points under 150 words. So I'm going to use these four recipe rather. I'm going to use these four recipe to um I am going to use these four recipes to write a prompt. Remember, I said write an email, right? Write an email, to apologize to a client for a delayed shipment, right? Now, the format and tone is short, professional, three paragraphs, formal but warm. Then the constraints. Instead of writing a bulky email that would be so boring, I keep it simple, no bullet points, under 150 words, and I send. That is how to form a prompt. Now look at it here. Remember, I was specific. The task was to write email. Apology for the delayed shipment. Dear valued client, I sincerely apologize for the delay in the shipment of your order. We understand the inconvenience this may have caused and regret that we do not meet the expected delivery timeline. Thank you for your patience and understanding. We are actively working to ensure your shipment reaches you as quickly as possible. Our team is closely monitoring the process and will keep you informed of any updates until delivery is complete. We truly value your trust and appreciate the opportunity to serve you. Please accept our sincere apologies and do not hesitate to contact us if you have any questions or require further assistance. Kind regards, your name, your company. That's simple, right? Now, these are the four recipes. Now, I will give you um few prompts, good and bad. All right, and you see why they are good and the result it gives you, and the bad one, the results you have as well. Now, let's write a creative writing. Okay, let's do a creative writing. Now, I would just say write a story. Okay, I will just open uh, a new chat and say write a story. Remember, I did not give it a direction. I did not give it the style. I did not give it the title. So the lantern that remembered tomorrow. You just pick up anything. In your own, it might ask you what story about what, right? My own is writing there because it has some stuff I have already started working. So I'm going to give it a direction now. Okay. Write a 300 word spooky short story for middle schoolers, right? It takes place in a lighthouse during a storm. Um, and the main character discovers a hidden diary end with a twist. So, because of the lengthy part of this guy, when now look at this guy was too long. This story was too long. But look at this one. The storm arrived just before sunset, wrapping the old lighthouse in wind and rain. 12-year-old Mersin hurried inside, sent to delivery supplies to this lonely keeper before the path flooded and all that. Now look at this. It gives a 300 word spooky short story. Now, why is this one good? It gives genre, audience, length, setting, and a plot, right? It gives a plot hook to that story. Why the other one did not have that direction. Now you can use this same prompt in yours and go through it, all right, and see the differences. Now let's look at this one. Uh, let's write let's write a summary, right? Something like summarize this and see um, what it will tell us. Okay, I go to new chat and I say summarize this. Summarize what? Sure, please paste the text you want me to summarize. So I will, yeah. Now I will upload a file for it to summarize for me. Okay, yeah. I have, um, okay. I wait for it to upload the file successfully. Then I, I proceed. All right, the file has been uploaded. So I I send. Now, the uploaded document is an invitation to an AI bootcamp and does not discuss business risk. So I can't truly produce the requested summary focusing on the main business risk mentioned. If your intention was to summarize the document's main point instead, here is a three bullet summary. A bootcamp teaches practical AI, prompt engineering, and so on and so on. Now, it just gave me something different from what I asked because what I uploaded was not what I asked it to do. But it still went ahead and summarized something for me. So whenever you are prompting, let your prompting fall in line with your target or your goal, and you have the results. Remember, I told it to summarize an article with three bullets, right? Three bullet points, each under 20 words, focusing only on the main business risk mentioned. But I did not upload anything concerning business risk. All right. So I give you how, let's check how to advise. So, for example, I said, um, how do I fix, um, let me, let me put it this way. How do I fix a, a broken iPhone 17 Pro Max screen by my okay, let me just keep it like right. Now if the screen on your iPhone 17 Pro Max is broken, the best solution depends on the type of damage, minor scratches and all that and all that. Now I'm going to be more specific. I'm going to be more specific on what I needed to do. All right, this guy is still writing more, so I'm going to go to another chat. Explain how to fix a broken iPhone 17 Pro Max screen in simple steps for a complete beginner. Include list of, right? Send. Replacing the screen on an iPhone 17 Pro Max is not a beginner friendly repair. The display is glued in place. Delicate flex cables sit just under the screen. Now, it has told you what it is. It is not for a beginner, although tools you will need before starting gather. Number one, a replacement iPhone 17 Pro Max display, replacement display adhesive, P2 pentalobe screwdriver, U try point screwdriver, Phillips 00 screwdriver. So it has listed what you need to fix that phone. Simple overview of process. Back up your iPhone, right? Turn the phone off. Remove the two bottom screws rather. Warm the screen edges. Lift the display lightly. Open the phone carefully, and all that and all that. Now it has given you the tools and the process to do it, right? So why is this one good? It gives you every process that you need. All right. Now, the last prompt for today is, let's look at brainstorming an idea or brainstorming ideas. Now, I will start, of course, I always start with the bad prompts. Most of you must have been typing this. Give me marketing ideas, right? Since I know you are building, okay, is now fetching from what's from my knowledge base to answer me. Now, if you are using your ears that you've not trained your AI, it may not give you what it's telling me. It may just give you marketing ideas about what, or what kind of marketing ideas, may ask you like that. Why it's giving me results is because I have already trained it. I've fed it with my information, with my knowledge base. All right. So if you want to know how to train your AI and feed your AI with your knowledge base, please watch the video of that, how to train your AI. All right. So I'm going to do this brainstorm 5 low budget marketing ideas for a local dog walking business. So I'm going to change the local dog walking business into, okay, let me leave it there and enter. Here are 5 low budget offline community based marketing ideas. So you see it now. Partner with apartment buildings, build relationships with with pet businesses. All right. Host a free community dog walk. All right. Create a neighborhood referral program. Use community notice boards and all that and all that. So it has given you 5 steps. 5 steps. You mentioned five, and it has given you five. Why is this prompt good? Right? It quantifies ideas. Five, defines business type, target audience, budget, and channel. So it gives you exactly what you asked for, right? So remember, always remember this. Whenever you are prompting, the five, um, the 4 things you must bear in mind. Remember. So when prompting, always remember the 4 recipes: task, context, format and tone, constraints. Thank you for being a part of this study today. Thank you for being a, always remember this. Thank you for being a part of this class today. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and click the notification button. See you in the next video.